Want to make your own board butter to keep your cutting boards beautiful for years to come? We're doing it next on That's How We Do It. Regularly applying a good wood conditioner to seal and treat your charcuterie and cutting boards, spoons, and butcher blocks will prevent them from splitting and cracking, keeping them in beautiful, long-lasting condition. I'm using an untreated slice here to show you how it brings out the beautiful color of the wood with little effort. We simply use a microfiber cloth and just apply a thin layer of our board butter onto our wood. I typically leave it overnight to allow the butter to soak in and then buff it off in the morning. We can see how with little effort our board butter conditions and seals the wood, bringing out its true natural beauty. This will ensure to keep our wood products in great and beautiful condition for years to come. To make this from start to finish, I start with my tins. I put the lid into my laser and put my logo on it. When the laser is complete, I use wet paper towel and buff off the soot, allowing my design to come to life. I then use dry paper towel and dry the lid. I use the same process for the bottom of the tin. I place all the ingredients and our QR code to our Facebook page on the back. Feel free to visit our Facebook page, Rustic American Woodworks, and give it a like and follow as well. I have a total of 24 4-ounce tins that I will need to make enough board butter for. I place approximately 3.5 ounces in each tin. I use a 4-to-1 ratio, 4 parts mineral oil to 1 part wax. My wax is a mixture of beeswax and Carnauba wax with a ratio of 3-to-1, 3 parts beeswax and 1 part Carnauba. I then use some lemon essential oil to add a nice lemon smell. So for this mixture, I will be using 64 ounces of mineral oil, 12 ounces of beeswax, 4 ounces of Carnauba wax, and 1 ounce of lemon essential oil. I add all the ingredients to a crock pot and turn it on high. It will take about 2 hours or so for everything to melt together. I stir the mixture occasionally during the 2 hours to make sure everything gets mixed well and nothing is just sitting on the bottom of the crock pot. After everything is melted and mixed, I pour them into the tins and allow them to cool. Cooling takes a few hours. Do be careful as the tins get pretty hot once the liquid is added. When everything is cool, we can put our tops on and they are ready to go out. If you like some board butter but don't want to make it yourself, feel free to email us or visit our Facebook page and send us a message. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks for joining us today. I've included links in the description below for the items that were used in today's video. If you liked what you saw, please hit that like and subscribe button so we can get more content out to you. Until next time, this is John on That's How We Do It.